Nah, bro, I'm not falling for that again.
I'm trying to see who hits the hardest, so let's go.
You wanna go first?
Yeah. Yo, go as hard as you can, alright? That counted.
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Obviously, we're still gonna be friends, right? Huh?
We can try to be friends. We'll see how it works out. Yeah. Obviously, I don't want to I don't want to think about our memories, like those good times. Like, it's gonna be hard on me to see you as just a.
I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away. I want.
Body crazy, curvy, wavy, big titties, little waist, body, yaddy, 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 yaddy.
So there you go. Oh, can't make a wife out of a hoe. Oh, I'll never find the words.
Everyone, can you guys hear me okay? Lucas isn't here. We're doing TikTok dances. Sam's over there. She's shy though. She doesn't want to be in my life. Hey everyone, what's up? How's everyone today? We went to the amusement park today with my family, and now we're at the hotel at the pool. They tried to teach me a TikTok dance. I couldn't work. I just wanted to get on here real quick to say hi. I'm at a hotel right now. I went to the amusement park with my family, and now I'm at the hotel at the pool. It is 10:25. That's my birthday. Here with Sam. Sam's over there. She's right there. Here. Can you guys not hear me? I don't know what to say. I don't think hang up. I just wanted to say I hope you guys had a good day today. And I had a lot of fun. Today I went to the amusement park, like I said. I'm just here with the sister. And then there's I don't know if you guys can hear me or not. I kind of want to hang up now. Is that so yeah. Say hi. Hi. You guys can hear me? Okay, I want to hang up. I don't know what to say. Lucas is commenting. Let me see. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. I'm a baby. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture. I took like an hour trying to learn one TikTok dance. It takes me a lot. And it's not even good either. I give up. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Talk too soft. Alright, I'm gonna hang up honestly because I don't know what else to say. Alright. Bye. Bye. And my phone's about to die, so I gotta go. Lucas is in here with me. Baby, I miss you. He got off of my live, so I'm gonna hang up too. Can you guys hear me? I'm gonna say bye now. Bye everyone. I'm gonna go learn this TikTok dance. Alright, bye. I'm gonna hang up now. Love you guys. Love you guys.
I'm trying to see who hits the hardest, so let's go.
You wanna go first?
Yeah. Yo, go as hard as you can, right?
I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away. I want you back.
Let's go.
You wanna go first?
Yeah. Yo, go as hard as you can, right?
That counted.